minus root 2, then the value of x cube plus 1 upon x cube is option A 16 root 3, B 17 root 3, C 18 root 3, and D is 19 root 3. Work out and then take the correct answer. Then the value of evaluate 0.8 into 0.8 1 minute plus 0.8 into 0.6 plus 0.6 into 0.6 divided by 0.8 into 0.8 into 0.8 minus 0.6 into 0.6 into 0.6. Option A is 0.2, B minus 0.2, option B is 1.4, option C is 5, D is minus 5. Okay. Get the answer. Then, so these are the revision. Then the answer. We will discuss after writing all the questions. Third one. Let me first list all the questions. Third one. If a square plus b square is 34, a square plus b square. Wait. If not a square plus b square, if x square plus y square, if x square plus y square is 34 and xy is 12 and xy is 12, then the value of 7 times a minus b whole square minus 2 times a plus b whole square. Then the value of xy is 12. Yes, variables are x and y. Then 7 times x minus y whole square plus minus 2 times x minus x plus y whole square. X plus y whole square is is a 45, b minus 45, c 46, d minus 46. Let me write one more question, then we will discuss. Fourth one. Okay. The sum of two numbers is 7. the sum of two numbers is 7, and sum of their squares is 29. Then find the sum of their cubes. Option A 131, B 132, C 133, and D is 134. Okay, start this 4. Let me give 5 minutes to everybody, because all of you are going to appear the examination. So I have to give equal opportunity to everybody to get the answer. Okay. हाँ 1 minute. हाँ चलो take 1 more minute, because the whole class has to appear the examination tomorrow. The whole class has to appear the examination tomorrow. Get the answer first. Check the answer. Okay. What is start sending me the answer of first. X is √3 minus √2. Satish Patel C. Jay Gandhi C. Raj Chawla C. Meet Rathod C. Aryan Patel C. Meet Rathod C. Rishabh C. Ashwin C. Neil Patekar. Riddhi Singh C. Anushree Mishra C. Sarita Gupta C. Hardik Kosia C. Okay. So majority are telling C. 18 √3 as the answer. Let us check whether 18 √3 is the answer or not. Let us check. X is √3 minus √2. X is √3 minus √2. Okay. X is √3 minus √2. So what is 1 upon x? 1 upon x is √3 plus √2. Okay. So rationalize the denominator. X plus 1 upon x will be 2 √3. Then x cube plus 1 upon x cube, you will use the formula. X cube plus 1 upon x cube. X plus 1 upon x whole cube minus 3 into x plus 1 upon x. X plus 1 upon x is 2 √3. 2 √3 cube will be 2 cube 8, 24 √3. Yes, 24 √3 minus 3 into x plus 1 6 √3. So √3 is common. 24 minus 6 is 18. 18 √3 is the answer. Okay. So first question answer is C. C is the correct option. So in examination also, before finalizing the answer, you check the calculation. Start sending me the answer of second. सतीश पटेल सी, मीट राठौड़ सी, राज चावड़ा सी, सरिता गुप्ता सी, ऋषभ गांधी सी, दैविक सी, आर्यन अरविना सी, तीर्थ गांधी. What is your answer? Tirat Gandhi, what is your answer? You are writing your name. Your name is not the answer. What is the answer? So C means 5. Okay. So majority are telling me the answer 5. Let us check whether 5 is the answer or not. So 0.8 you will consider A. Ashwin C. Okay. So that is A into A square plus AB plus B square upon A into A cube minus B into B cube. So A square plus AB plus B square. What is the formula for A cube minus B cube? Yes. A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. Now numerator get cancelled with the denominator. 1 upon A minus B. 1 upon 0.8 minus 0.6, that is 1 upon 0.2. When you want to remove the decimal, increase 1 0. 10 upon 2, that is 2 5s are 10. So answer is 5. So C is the correct option. Okay. So don't click the answer by seeing the question. Question I have twisted, my dear. Number I have changed. So in examination, by seeing the question you will pick the answer. Definitely you will become wrong. So you have to work out. Okay. Now start sending me the answer of third. X square plus Satish Patel D, Meet Rathod D, then Aryan D, Sarita Gupta D, Tanvi Patel D, Anushree D, Raj Chavda D, Jay Gandhi D, Anshu D, Krishna D, Rishabh Gathani D, Ashwin Rana D, Rishabh Gathani D, Bhumi Patel D. Where is Tanvi Patel today? Tanvi Patel is not present? Yes? You are there? Blood to you? Okay. What about others? Screen is clear? Okay. ठीक है. So majority are giving the answer minus 46. Let us take the answer minus 46. D option. X square plus y square is 34. So first you will find x plus y. Yes. X plus y square. X square plus y square plus 2xy. Correct. X square plus y square is 34. 2xy will be 24. Yes. This is correct, no? So that is 58. X plus y whole square is 58. Let us find x minus y whole square. X minus y whole square is x square plus y square minus 2xy. 34 minus 24, that is 10. So x minus y whole square. This answer is 58. This answer is 10. So 7 into 10 square. Minus 2 into 58 square. 7 into 10 minus 2 into 58. 7 into 10, 70 minus 116. Answer is minus 46. Yes, very good. So all of you gave the correct answer, minus 46. Now start sending me the answer of fourth one. Satish Patel C. Meet Rathod C. What about others? I want each and every student to give the answer, my dear. Everyone has to appear examination tomorrow. Hardik C. Daivik C. Daivik C. Okay. Chalo. Ashwin Rana C. Rishabh Gathani C. What about others? Tomorrow everybody has to appear the examination. If we do not give the answer at this stage, how we expect the miracle in tomorrow's examination? Yes. Total there are more than 60 students, and hardly we are getting the answer of 10 to 12 students. That means only 10 to 12 students will appear exam. Meet Rathod 133, Aryan Patel 133, Meet Rathod 133, Raj Chavda C. Okay, C is option 133. Sadhita Gupta C, Anshu C, Alex C, Hardik 113. 113 is no answer. Janil C, Sahil Purohit C, Krishna Malviya C. Let us see whether 133 is the answer or not. 133. Sum of two numbers is 7, means x plus y is 7, correct? And sum of their square, x square plus y square is 29. We want to find sum of their cubes. So first we find x plus y whole square and find xy. That is x square plus y square plus 2xy. X plus y is 7 square. X square plus y square is 29 plus 2xy. So 49 minus 29 is 20 is 2xy. So xy will be 10, correct? Then to find x cube plus y cube, you will use the formula. X cube plus y cube is x plus y whole cube minus 3xy into bracket x plus y. X plus y is 7 cube is 343. 343 minus 3 into xy is 10, 30 into so 343 minus 210. Answer is 133. Yes, 133 is the correct answer. So 133 is the correct answer. Okay. So if you want to secure full marks, then go through all the video lectures and all the revision lectures. All the video lecture of rational number and expansion, go through that. Still time is there. Okay, if you sit for 10 hours, you can go through all the videos and all the revision lectures. Then, if x is 1 minus root 2, then fifth one. 1 minute. If x is root 3 minus root 2, if x is root 3 minus root 2, then the value of x cube, then the value of x square plus 1 upon x square, then the value of x square plus 1 upon x square is, find out. One more question. Let me write one more question, then I will write the option. Okay. We are framing the question. If if 5 plus root 3, if 5 plus 1 minute, 5 plus 3 root 2 upon 5 minus 3 root 2 is equal to a plus b root 2, then the value of a and b, then values of a and b are, option A, 30 by 7, A is 30 by 7, B is 48 by 7, B option, A is 43 by 7, B is 30 by 7, C, A is minus 43 by 7, B is 30 by 7, then D, A is minus 43 by 7 and B is minus 30 by 7. Let me give the option for this one. A A option is minus 10, B is 10, C is 12 and D is minus 4. Let me write two more questions, okay? Then we will ask you to send the answer. Then we will ask you to send the answer. Let me write two more questions. Then seventh one. One. The value of root 3 minus root 2. The value of root 3 minus root 2 upon root 3 plus root 2 is, the value of root 3 minus root 2 upon root 3 plus root 2 is A 4 minus 2 root 6, B 5 minus 2 root 6, C 6 minus 2 root 6, D 7 minus 2 root 6. Then one more question, eighth one. Okay, eighth one. If M is, if X is, if X is 1 upon 3 minus root 2, 3 minus root 8, Y is 1 upon 3 plus root 8, then the value of xy is, xy means x into y is A minus 1, B minus 2, C 1, D 2. So take 2 minutes to solve all this code problem. Take 2 more minutes. X is root 3 minus root 2. All the answers, okay. Let us wait for 1 more minute. Let other also calculate. Because tomorrow all 65 to 70 students they have to appear exam. So I want everybody to solve, those who are present. And pass the message to those students who are absent that go through all the lecture videos plus revision videos which I have sent in the group as well as on the YouTube I have uploaded. If they want to get good marks, then revise all the lecture videos plus revision videos. Chalo, 10:23. Start sending me the answer of first. B B, Anshu B, Satish B, Daivik B, Meet B, Rishabh B, Raj Chawda B, Janvi Rathod B, Aryan Patel B, Tanvi Patel B, Aryan Patel -10. Wrong answer -10. Ashwin Rana B, Neil Patel B, Sarita Gupta B. Lock option B. Okay. Aryan Patel 10. Rudra Bagbe B. Bhumi, you have written -2. Where is -2? Rushika Nandola B. Okay. So majority are telling B answer. Let us see whether B is correct or not. X is root 3 minus root 2. X is root 3 minus root 2. Okay. X is root 3 minus root 2. So first you find 1 upon x. First you will rationalize the denominator. X is root 3 minus root 2. Then rationalize the denominator. 1 upon x will be root 3 plus root 2. Then x plus 1 upon x is 2 root 3. Correct? Then x square plus y square. X plus 1 upon x whole square formula we can use. X square plus 1 upon x square plus 2. Correct? What is x plus 1 upon x? 2 root 3. So 2 root 3 square will be 4 into 3, 12 minus 2. Answer is plus 10. Answer is plus 10. So B option is correct, plus 10. Let us start sending the answer of 6th. Satish Patel B, Riddhi Singh D. D is the wrong answer, my dear. Tanvi Patel B, Sarita Gupta B, Rishabh Gathani B, Jay Gandhi B, Anshu B, Raj Chawda B, Meet Rathod B, Jenil B, Daivik B, Aryan B, Bhumi Patel B, Janvi Rathod B, Krishna Ravaria B, lock option B. Okay. Vardhan Gandhi B, Anushree B. So majority are telling B. So we have solved this type of problem. Okay. You rationalize the denominator. So multiply and divide by 5 plus 3 root 2. Multiply and divide by 5 plus 3 root 2. You have to rationalize the denominator on left hand side. Okay. So that will be 5 plus root 3, 5 plus 3 root 2 square upon 25, 5 square 25 minus 18. Simplify a plus b whole square, 25 plus 30 root 2 plus 18 upon 7. 25 plus 18 is 43. 43 by 7 plus 30 root 2 by 7. 30 by 7 root 2. Compare with a plus b root 2. What is the constant term? A. A is 43 by 7 and coefficient of root 2 is b. B is 30 by 7. So A 43 by 7, B 30 by 7. B is the correct answer. Okay. B is the correct answer. Start sending me the answer of 7th. Satish Patel B, Tanvi Patel B, Anshu B, Gandhi B, Raj Chawda B, Meet Rathod, Alex B, Anushree B, Daivik B, Jenil B, Rishabh B, Sarita Gupta B, Meet Rathod B. What about others? Ravina B, Jay Gandhi B, Meet Rathod, lock option B. Okay. Let us lock the option B and see whether B is correct or not. So what you will do? Tell me. To solve this type of problem, what we do? We rationalize the denominator. So this will be root 3 minus root 2 square upon root 3 square is 3, 3 minus 2. So that will be 3 minus 2 root 6 plus 2 upon 1. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 minus 2 root 6. So which is 5 minus 2 root 6? Option B. Option B is 5 minus 2 root 6. Option B is 5 minus 2 root 6. Okay. Start sending me the answer of 8th one. Satish Patel C, Tanvi C, Jaivik C, Rishabh C, Raj Chavda C, Tirath Gandhi C, Anshu C, Jainil C, Alex C, Krishna C, Sarita C, Aryan C, Aryan 1. Aryan 1, okay, 1. C option. Meet Rathod C, Janvi Rathod C, Kanak C, Anushri C, Ravina C, Ashwin C, Ayush Bane C. Meet Rathod, lock option C. Okay. Krishna Ravadia C. Okay. So majority are telling C. Let us see the answer. What is XY? Okay. So I have told you there are two ways. You simplify each. So when you will rationalize the denominator x, okay, x y, no, so x into y, you directly multiply. X is 3 minus root 8, then y is 1 upon 3 plus root 8. So multiply numerator to numerator, multiply denominator to denominator. 3 minus root 8, that is 3 square, minus root 8 square, that will be 1 upon 9. A minus b into a plus b, no, a square minus b square. Okay, 9 minus 8, that is 1 upon 1, 1. This is one method, directly multiply. Or you simplify x will be 3 plus root 8, rationalize the denominator. Y will be 3 minus root 8, rationalize the denominator. Then xy will be a plus b into a minus b, that is 9 minus 8, that is 1. One way is by rationalizing the denominator of each. Other way is directly multiplication. Okay, so we will see few more problem of division in the 6th period. Okay, now we stop here. It is 10:30. Bye. Bye everybody. Bye. Yes. Bye everybody. Bye. See you in the last period. Not today. It will be 12:50, my dear.